I'm Patrick, answering this question under Ask Patrick series. This question is asked by Kamesh Kumar. He says that I've wasted a lot of time in my DI on my calculations. So what do I do? So there are two things that can be done for improving your DI. As one thing, I recommend not to use Vedic mathematics. A lot of people are after Vedic maths. I personally feel Vedic maths is not good. You can give it a try. The reason are very clear. One is Vedic mathematics takes a long time to master. By the time you master it, it will take a long time. I remember time in my college where I tried Vedic mathematics, and after maybe doing it for almost 2-3 months, one boy challenged me for calculations. Simple 2-digit calculation, and he always could solve it faster than what I could do. 2-digit multiplication. So if he could do all the multiplication faster than me, then what's the point of learning Vedic mathematics? Exam you will not have very big calculations. Okay? And if you end up doing big calculations, it's a waste of time. No, none of the exams focuses on calculation as a base. As a matter of fact, CAT has given you calculator as well. For the other exams also, the focus is not to check on your calculations. So how do I improve? How do I stop my wastage of time? One is be comfortable with calculations. Every day spend 10 or 15 minutes purely on calculations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, factorization. Do calculation in your mind 10 to 15 minutes every day. Be comfortable with it. That will help you to improve over a period of time. Right? Spend that time. Also, when you're practicing sums, doing sums, it is a simple calculation, try and do in your mind. Initially it will be slow, but over a period of time you will be fast. So try doing in your mind calculations, and that will help. Second, what normally helps in DI is what I feel is approximation. Learn when to approximate, when not to. The best way to go about learning approximation is take simple DI sets, like maybe in RS Agrawal or the banking exam, simple sets, and try to solve it orally without calculations. I mean approximating the values. See if you can get the answers, specifically when the options are far. If you learn how to approximate, you can really be fast. As a matter of fact, in a lot of my sums in my DI, I am really faster than a lot of other people purely because I can approximate better than them. So learn approximation. Maybe when you spend time on calculation, spend some time on approximation itself. Take a big number, multiply, check out approximately what should be the answer. Check out the exact answer and see why were you different. Same with division, find approximately what should be the answer. Check out the actual answer, see why were you different. Over a period of time, you will get a technique of approximation, and that will help you to build up on your speed with regards to calculation. Once you build up on your speed on calculations, automatically you will be saving your time in the exam. I normally consider calculations second most important part for preparation. First is your reading, second puzzles, and third calculation. One of the top three. These are three most important things that you should do when you're preparing. Reading, the most important, puzzles and calculations. Try doing these three regularly, and I'm sure that will improve your scores and your base for getting higher marks. Thank you.